Yes guys, this is the best way to make a fertilizer, pure organic fertilizer. You see guys, this is the best way to make a fresh liquid fertilizer. You can see pineapple peeling, you can see aloe vera, you can see watermelons and all the garbage. So this is it. This is our liquid organic fertilizer, very good to use in your farm. So you can see our solution here, the solution of organic liquid fertilizer. So this is the liquid that we want, but for now we still have to allow this one to decay for long. So we still have to decay for long before we started to use, so that we have a lot of nutrient, a lot of nitrogen coming from this. So guys, thank you for watching. That is how you can make your liquid fertilizer at home.